What is this indicator about?
The red line on the chart is a simple moving average indicator, which is based on the average price of the selected time period.
For how many candles is it?
The simple moving average is calculated over 20 candles, according to the value shown in the parentheses next to the label SMA.
Okay, could you explain the code?
Sure, the candlesticks on the chart represent the price movement over a certain time period. Each candlestick shows the opening, closing, high, and low prices. The red line is the simple moving average, which is calculated over the last 20 candles, and it is used to smooth out the price data.
Okay, if I show you the MQ5 file, could you explain how it is coded in Metaeditor? So this is the source code for the file. Could you explain how it works?
This code is for a simple moving average expert advisor, or EA, in Metaeditor. It defines an input parameter for the SMA period, which is set to 20 by default. In the onTick function, which is executed with each tick, the code copies the SMA data for the current candle, and then generates a comment that shows the current SMA value.
I would like you to explain each line from the top to the bottom and what each of the functions do.
Understood. The first 3 lines are comments. The next line declares an input variable named smaperiod and sets its default value to 20. The next line declares a variable smavalue. Then there's a function called onTick that is executed on each tick of the market. Inside, the next line prepares an array to store the SMA values. It declares an integer variable named copied that will store the number of bars that have been copied from the simple moving average indicator.
Okay, what's with the rest of the code lines?
No problem. The following line checks if the number of bars copied is greater than 0.
Continue.
After that line, there's a block of code that is executed only if the condition in the previous line is met. This means that the following lines are executed if the number of bars copied from the SMA indicator is greater than 0. The subsequent lines format a string that displays the current candle's SMA value as a comment on the chart. Then the comment is set.
Okay, why do we do that with an if condition?
The if condition is used to ensure that the comment is only displayed on the chart if the SMA values were copied successfully. If no bars were copied, the code inside the if block will not be executed. This prevents potential errors and avoids displaying incorrect or missing information on the chart.
Okay, thank you. I think you have explained the code very well.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's it for this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.
Great. Have a nice day.